In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete vocal shortcuts action on iPhone on iOS 18. So, for instance, let's say you set up voice command as your voice assistant to replace any application command on your iPhone. You can easily use the voice command in place of the default voice command by iPhone or iOS on your device. And here, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete this action on your iPhone to restore the action back to the default. So, if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first you want to do when you want to delete vocal shortcut actions on iPhone on iOS 18 is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and click on accessibility. Once you selected that, scroll down and click on vocal shortcut on that page. Now, we should see actions, a list of actions you added under vocal shortcuts. To delete any action on this page, all you need to do is click on edit at top right, then delete action by clicking on the red circle button, then click on delete. There you go. So this is going to delete any vocal shortcut action you created on your iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.